Hello everyone, in front of me is Redmi 13C, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. First of all, open the settings, then find and select wallpaper, and now select the source from which you want to pick your wallpaper. Here we've got several albums, just pick the one that you want to choose your screen lock and also home screen from. You can go through all the pictures. Let me choose, for example, this one, then select apply, and finally decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them. Tap on agree, and that's it. That will be all. From now on, it is covering both your home and lock screen. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.